Well, I'm over here at the beach today, mowing. I just ran out of gas. I'm taking a break. I just have from them two trees right here down to here left to do, and all that whole side all the way up to the end of the grass. Kai's at home with Molly. We're babysitting this week. I had to leave them both home today because I'm still running the truck till tomorrow, so Kai can't ride with me in the truck because she'll pee on the seat. I can't trust her. And I just mowed all this out in front, and that whole side, and then way back to the woods right through there, all the way out to the post with the white bucket there. I still got way out to do, but I did this whole side all the way out to the woods, and all this here. Beautiful out today. This is a test of my new camera too. I took one video of it. I don't think anything that I posted, but I'm not too thrilled with the quality of it. But I've already mowed all this. I did all this yesterday, last night, and the whole front. This side I just did today too, when I did that. But what a gorgeous, gorgeous day, or night actually. It's like 5:30 now. I did from here over to here today. The rest I got done last night. If I go over here, the sun's gonna ruin the camera view. Well, actually not really that bad. But it's just beautiful. Look how calm the lake is, no wind. I get behind the tree here, then I can film some of it. It's just beautiful. Paddle boards are all put away. All the kayaks the beach has over there that they rent out, 5 of them. Those 2 are the neighbors that live up there in that house up there. They'll be over to put them away pretty soon. See all that I mowed last night. I know some of you have been asking if everything's all right. I haven't posted a video, but I've been really busy. I got caught up on my other job up in West Brattleboro. I did a lot of work around the house. Just been so busy. I'm trying to get caught up before winter. And I've been putting stuff off, so I'm finally getting it all done. There's a loon right there. See it? Let's test my zoom. Actually, I don't think that is a loon. I think that's a, oh, what do you call them? It's got the red head on it. See the red head? Merganser. No, mergansers are black and white. It's been a while since I duck hunted, like 20 years. I forget them all now. Actually, that might be a, no, I'm not sure. It's not a cormorant. Let's see if I can get a close-up picture of it. How clear the water is. See if I can sneak up on it. The riding lawnmower belt broke, so I've been push mowing this whole thing, by the way. Usually I use a rider. Oh, there it is right there. There was a few people on the beach today. I don't think they're allowed to go swimming though after Columbus Day because all the buoys are picked up. My sister's got all her work done. Except I think the only thing left is to move the lifeguard chair over there and lay it down. Other than that, I think she has everything done. But anyway, just letting you know I am still here, still alive. Just been busy. I work so hard and then I get home and I don't feel like doing anything. But I gotta get finished up here because I still gotta go to the other side of the lake to the bathhouses over there and cut 2 locks off and put new locks on. I think someone changed the combo on my sister and locked them up. Because all of a sudden, earlier this year, they wouldn't unlock with the same combination that she's been using. It's one of those letter. It's a master lock, a good lock. But it's 4-digit and it's letters instead of numbers. And I think to reset them once they're open, you just hold down on it, then change the combination, then let up on it, and then when you lock it, that's your new combination. And because she leaves them unlocked hanging there when she unlocks in the morning, I think someone just changed the combinations on her. Or it happened by mistake, but I don't think you can do it by mistake because I think you have to hold the thing down when you change the numbers and release it. And then when you lock it, that's your new combo. At least the locks I was familiar with, that's how they work. But so I told her from now on when she locks them up, unlocks it in the morning, you can leave the locks hanging on the hasp, but lock them back up. That way no one can change the combo if that's what happened. There's a riding lawnmower. She's got to get a belt for it so I can fix that. And there's my headset. I haven't used them because I forgot them. I've been sitting here the whole, 2.5 hours I've been mowing so far. Started at 3, it's 5:30 now. So anyway, I got to finish up this little bit and get on the other side of the lake and get home and feed the girls.